Hi, you guys. Hey, this is regarding the goodie bag. So I wanted to throw in another little video in here because on the video that I did regarding the goodie bags, I didn't realize that I didn't share my screen. I was so tired. I'm kind of sick right now, but I'm going to do this for you because when I start adding you guys in, when you get into this group, you guys can see what I'm talking about on the goodie bags, which in turn, you can spend just a little bit of money to get products into your customers' hands. And that's really what this is all about. Sometimes you're going to get, people don't want to do it. And other people are like, wow, I really want to try this. Like, let's get this on, let's put this in your cart. Let's get this ordered for you. Unfortunately, I don't have any of the Shakeology cups that I use. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put up a link as to like purchasing these little bags that I use on Amazon. I told you about going to Michael's, going to Target, going into all those dollar bins, you guys. I'm going to show you what I find in those bins, and it's crazy and it's really cute. Now, I have separate things that I do. When a customer orders something, I go ahead and I ship them a little thing that I can put inside of the smallest air bubble envelope that I can find, okay, because that's going to be the cheapest way to mail something. If I have someone I'm meeting in town, I'll go ahead and I'll either put it in a pretty little bag, or if, like right now, I don't have any shaker cups, so I would put it in a nice little bag and hand it to them till I can get some shaker cups ordered. I go in and I get the 10 of the Shakeology shaker cups in the back, and I think it's only $10 for 10, which is a really good deal because you can shove everything down in the cup and make it look really nice, and they're getting the shaker cup, and there's no excuse for them not to try the Shakeology or the energy or whatever you're giving them. So first of all, I'm going to go over what I do when I get someone to order a product and I want them to try Shakeology, and I want them to try the Energize, and I want them to try other products. I'm going to go ahead, like I said, I'll put links up because I don't have everything. I'm kind of running low on supply. But since I want to get this group going, I want to get this going. Okay, so first of all, what I do is I have these pretty little bags, and my colors, I go with my colors, okay? So mine and Doug's colors for Couch Potato Fitness are gold and blue. So I tend to go towards the gold because that's really girly, and I love gold. So these are very small, okay? These are like those little see-through bags. Man, I got bad lighting. But what you can tie these up, and I can put my little bracelets and stuff in these. Now there's bigger ones. This is what I do. I have to order some bigger ones actually. So I'm going to put up the link for those. This is what I put the bracelet and stuff in so it doesn't get lost in the envelope. In the envelope, it's going to be about a bag that's about twice as big. So I'm going to, again, put up the link for that. These are gold. And what I do is those little rubber bracelets that I told you about, I'll put these in there. These have all of the little sayings on them. And I just pick one. I just very random, okay? These you can get like hundreds of them at Amazon, and they say support, encourage, whatever. I have all kinds of them. I'll put that down in these little bags like this. And these are things that I put inside of when I'm meeting with someone, and it just looks nicer. I'm trying to give them something nicer. It looks nicer depending on how you package it. So I do those. And then I always have these cards that I was talking about. I have these, man, my lighting is super bad, you guys. Okay. There you go. It says teamwork. This is a good one to give to your coaches. Teamwork, together we achieve more. And I think you can see it better over here. These are all blank inside. And what I do is when my coaches rank changes to Emerald, Ruby, or Diamond, I give them a gift. After they've held that for 6 weeks, they get a gift. Emerald, I go in, I pick something out pretty nice for them. Like I'll do like calendars and pens and journals, things that help with their business. Maybe I'll give them one of these miniature whiteboards or something. It just depends on what I find that I know they need, that maybe they're looking for. And I always write a personal note to them, and I always tell them thank you for all the hard work that you're doing, and I appreciate you, and let's do this together. And like I was saying, a personal note really goes a long way for a lot of people. It means a lot to people. This is what I use for coaches. And again, I found these at Michael's. There's 6 of them in here for like $1, I think. And then when I'm doing when I have a coach, I have these pretty little bags. See, they're gold and striped, and I can buy like 10 of these for, oh gosh, I don't know. This was $10 for 10 of these. So what I do is I fill this full of stuff. This thing is full of stuff, and this is just for an emerald. Now for a ruby, I do something a little bit more. And then to diamond, when they go to diamond, I might buy them a diamond necklace or something, like a Tiffany necklace or a Tiffany bracelet or something really nice that actually shows how much I really appreciate them. And now we're really going somewhere too, that we're really taking off. Because that's a hard work. That's hard work to get to diamond. So I really want to show my appreciation to my coaches. And you'll notice that all of the larger coaches, or the coaches that are doing big, big numbers, they are sharing the wealth with their coaches. And I'm giving them, all kinds of stuff. But at first, as an emerald, I go ahead and I pick out a calendar, something that you can keep track of your stuff with. I found these cute little, trying to get you guys to see it. These are cute little bookmarkers. So when they're doing their PD, they can mark their books. I give them a pen. They have these fun little pens. They're all different colors and bright. And I try to stick with a theme of colors because that's just how I am. Like I'll do purples and whatever, like whatever their favorite colors are sometimes. I'll find out their favorite colors. I'll do like pinks and purples or blues and purples or whatever. I don't have everything right now because everything is usually I go out and I get that stuff for a coach. Like some things I keep in stock and some things I don't. Again, Michael's, Target, they have some really cute stuff. And I'll throw a bunch of stuff in a bag for them and thank them personally. Now, when I'm doing somebody that is a customer and I want to get more product in their hand, I go ahead and I put one of these bags, but it's much, much bigger than this. You can get different sizes of these. And this is what I send because it's already got a ribbon. Like I said, you can tie it up and you can send a thank you note with it and write a personal message. And I give them a packet of the Hydrate. I give them a packet of the Energize, and then next month when the Fruit Punch comes out, I'll get those, and I'm going to buy the sticks too. I haven't bought the sticks yet, like I said. And then I give them at least 2 flavors of Shakeology right here. And these are 2 of my favorites, like the Tropical and the Cafe Latte. They're both vegan, but I have others. I have the Whey as well. And like I said, I'll ask them, are you lactose intolerant? If not, I'll give them 1 of each. I'll give them the Tropical, and then I'll give them the Whey Cafe Latte. And I'll say, just try these because these are 2 of my favorites. Let me know what you think. But that way, I'm getting more product in their hand. And then if I have beach bars, I'll throw in a beach bar. I want people on recovery. And again, unfortunately, I don't have the little bottles that I use. But again, you can buy these on Amazon, and I'll put up a link to that as well. And they seal very tightly, and you can put 1 or 2 scoops of recovery in there, either the orange or the chocolate. I say, hey, you like orange or chocolate more? Sometimes I'll ask them. Sometimes I want to just give them stuff. And I say, I'll make I have little sticky things that I put on. I wish I had all my stuff, but I don't. I'm running low on supply. But you can do like a little label. It makes it look like it's apothecary, and I'll handwrite orange recovery on there. Take this, and then when I send them the note, like I do a little thank you note. Again, I got gold little dots on here. They're blank inside. I get it from Walmart or again, Michael's. When you try recovery, use the recovery after your workout. Use the Energize before your workout. Use the Hydrate during your workout. So you're actually telling them how to use the products. They're just not guessing. So this one's before, this one's during, this one's after. And then your Shakeology is going to be your meal replacement. So you're actually letting them know what they're for. Don't just throw it in there and expect for them to know how to use it. If I'm meeting with someone, I'll take the Shakeology cup and I'll add all the stuff inside the cup, including like a beach bar or something if I have them. If I don't stress over it, no big deal. But I let them know about them. Hey, we have a really good beach bar too. It's just like a snack. And then I'll take my card and I'll take some either gold ribbon or I have some twill. I always have twine, stuff like that, because I like all natural kind of stuff. That's just me again. I'll make a cute little ribbon around it, and I'll hole punch the card, and I'll tie the card onto the cup, and I'll say, thank you for ordering from me. Here's some samples for you to try. I just want to make sure that you know that all the stuff that we have, and I'll check back with you in a day to see how you liked it. Oh, and I also, throw in my little bracelet. So when you've got the package that you're mailing, use a small little bubble wrapper, and it only costs a couple dollars. These are the smallest ones you can find, you guys. They come about this big, and you can mail those. Don't mail the shaker cups. They're too expensive to mail. I only give the shaker cup to people I'm meeting in person. And then my coaches, if my coach isn't here, like where I live, I mail them whatever I was going to mail them in the first place. But I also package it very nicely. I might even wrap it in a box. And I'm very much into wrapping things and stuff because I think girls appreciate it more. And if I'm meeting up with them and I'm handing it to them, I'll put it in one of these pretty little bags with some tissue paper and stuff that matches. So, it's very simple, and get creative. You guys know how to wrap gifts, I'm sure. I'm just very crafty. That's just how I am. But these things mean a lot to people, and you're going to mail samples out to people and never hear back from them again, and that's okay. But the thing is you're getting the samples into their hands. I'm going to put up some links for you guys as well, and this is all in the product part of the product lesson. This is just for you guys to get in a mindset to, this is how I can get product into their hand. This is how I can appreciate them and tell them thank you for their order and things like that. So when we're doing our share cards, again, we're going to be telling them, look, I'm going to put in the cart what I use and what I think you're going to need, and then we'll go from there. And basically, I leave it at that for a day or the night, and then I let them mull it over, and I let them think about it, and that's about it. It's pretty simple. Just get creative, you guys. I stick with a certain theme. I stick with a certain color because that's what I like. And if you guys have other ideas, throw them out there. We could all hear them. So, you guys, I will talk more about this. This is pretty simple and simplified, and just go ahead and check out the links. You can buy stuff from Amazon. You can go to Michael's or Target or sometimes Hobby Lobby. Sometimes if you have a Hobby Lobby, sometimes they have dollar bins too. So you just have to check things out and get as cheap as you can. Like I said, these pins cost me like 50 cents a piece. And look how cute they are. I can get it in the right light. They're super cute. Like they're these big bobble pins, and they have all different kinds. And I got these at Michael's. I got the bags at Michael's. I got those little bags at Michael's, and the ones that I order are bigger, like I said. And then these are all Amazon. These little bracelets. People love these bracelets, let me tell you. And any of your twine, ribbon, Michael's, Walmart, don't go crazy. Don't spend thousands of dollars. You don't want to use all of your commissions to buy people's stuff, but we just want to get the samples into people's hands, and this is the best way to do it that we found. So, all right, you guys, that's it, and I hope you guys are enjoying the WWA. See you later.